Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends! Today's adventure takes us to Canadian Tire. Well, kind of.
Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. Look what I found. I've been after this truck for about 4 years. So, anyway, I got it the other day from a lady that had posted on one of the Facebook Marketplace pages. And let me tell you, I am just so happy that I got this truck. Going to build it because it's completely sealed in the box as if it's brand new. I've been trying to get this for the past, I don't know, 4 or 5 years. Canadian Tire had this come out at Christmas time as a special in their toy section. They had it come out for 2 years in a row, and that was it. It was part of the Bloks World Builders line. It was designed for Canadian Tire and only for Canadian Tire that specific year, and they had some left over and they had them come out the following year. But anyway, you can't get it anymore through Canadian Tire or anybody. They have a resin truck now that's like a toy truck, but you know, it's completely made out of resin. It's completely built type of thing, so it's not the same. And I don't even know if they have that anymore. That might be gone. But to make a long story short, this is so cool because not only does it have the Canadian ice truck, it has like a little Canadian Tire garage store with it and 3 minifigs. So we are going to open this up, see what it's like inside, and build it, because this is a major display piece for us. Oh, aren't these sweet? Now, you know my feelings on stickers, but let's just say when it comes to very customized stickers like these, I couldn't see them printing them on the bricks and such, so I can understand that. So I'm okay with this. However, we will scan this so we have a copy of them for future reference. Bags are somewhat numbered, and we got a number 4, number 5, oh, that's number 1, 3, 2, 1, and we just got all kinds of, that's 6, bags for the garages, and the 3 minifigures. That's so cool. Yeah, it's awesome, man. That is so cool. Look, but here's the kicker. These ones are printed. They are printed. Yes, sir. These minifigures are printed. Two that says, oh, actually, that's the one with the Canadian Tire triangle. And this one says Motor Master, which is their logo, I guess. And Eliminator, which is the battery that started this all. So, yeah, let's build them.
That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.